Our top focus is the BJP patriarch's parting shot to his one-time protege, the final pre-poll embarrassment before the big 2014 battle. Posters favouring LK Advani to contest the Lok Sabha elections from Bhopal have embarrassed the BJP top brass. They have almost conceded to LK Advani's demand despite the Gujarat unit insisting on the patriarch's candidature from Gandhinagar. Now, Headlines Today has exclusively learned that only a formal announcement remains. The Gujarat state unit of the party has been asked to suggest another name for Gandhinagar. This after the patriarch made it known that he is keen to shift to Bhopal after his close confidants warned him of a possible sabotage in the state of Gujarat. Narendra Modi and other top leaders reached out to Advani to convince him to contest from Gandhinagar, but so far Advani has refused to budge.
Advani ji has already said, he's a very senior and veteran leader, that this time BJP is going to get maximum seats, more than expectations of the more than expectations of the people of this country. He has already said from so many places.
But he's not sure of his own seat.
No, but he's a senior leader. Now this decision will be taken by only Central Election Committee of the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Joining us live on the top political story from New Delhi is Aditi. Aditi, bring us the inside track on why the BJP patriarch has chosen Bhopal over Gandhinagar.
Somewhere, so to say, Vedika, LK Advani feared that probably his vote bank will get sabotaged if he contests from Gandhinagar. In fact, it is a known fact that LK Advani till now had a very anti-Modi stand, and that is the fear that he has, that the supporters of Modi may not vote in favor of LK Advani if he contests from Gandhinagar, because his dissent towards Modi came out in public view very evidently over the past few years, and that is the problem he has, that probably if he contests from Gandhinagar, he's a 4-time sitting MP from Gandhinagar, so he feared that probably his anti-Modi stand could actually cost him his seat of Gandhinagar. And also, Vedika, we're getting to learn that Shivraj Singh Chauhan was in constant touch with LK Advani. In fact, they were speaking to each other. Even yesterday, they had a word with each other in which Shivraj Singh Chauhan has welcomed LK Advani, that if he wants to contest from Bhopal, they are ready to put the seat open for LK Advani. And that is why, to keep a safe seat, in fact, you know, Vedika, just before elections, all top leaders eye at the safer seats. And for LK Advani, for these elections, for the 2014 elections, for him, Gandhinagar seemed to be a bit of a dicey seat as compared to Bhopal. And that is why he wants to make the shift from Gandhinagar in Gujarat to Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh.
Aditi, a word on Narendra Modi as well. When do we expect that official announcement of the seat he will be fighting from as far as Gujarat is concerned?
Vedika, has become a marathon process inside the BJP office as well. Over the past 5 CEC meets, we have seen that the parliamentary board meetings and the CEC meets have gone out for the entire day. Even now, the parliamentary board meeting, which started at about 11:30 in the morning, it is still continuing. LK Advani has still not reached the BJP headquarters to start off the CEC meet. So we are trying to guess probably inside the decision on which seat LK Advani will be contesting from. Even that has not been concluded.